What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up OpenClaw on your PC or Mac using BlueStacks AI. First, head over to BlueStacks.ai. On this page, click on Download BlueStacks AI. This will start the download, which should only take a few minutes. Next, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click the downloaded BlueStacks installer file. The BlueStacks installation window will open up. Simply click Continue and Install. And it will take a few seconds to run the package scripts to install the application to your system. You can now run BlueStacks on your Mac or PC. Simply open the BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager and select to create an instance for OpenClaw. Again, this might take a few minutes and will require up to 8 GB of disk space. Once the download is complete, a new window will open up automatically. Here, enter a new password. Confirm your password, and then select your provider, model, and your API key. I will choose OpenAI as the model provider, use GPT 5.1 Codex Mini as my model, and the API key will be accessible at platform.openai.com. Here, you can simply click Create API Keys, give it a name, and click Create Secret Key. You can now copy and paste your new API key back into BlueStacks. Next, you'll have the option to connect Telegram to OpenClaw to control it from your phone or a different PC. Click Setup and follow the instructions to set this up. Once done, you can open the OpenClaw dashboard, OpenClaw desktop, or use the command shell. When opening the OpenClaw dashboard, a new browser window will open up where you can chat with your selected model, view usage statistics, sessions, instances, and so on. This is your control center. You can also set a daily spending cap of $2, $5, or $10, so the agent will simply stop once it hits your limit. When opening the OpenClaw desktop, a new window will open up. It will look like a virtual machine, and you can chat with your AI model to create folders, files, help you code, and so on. This is quite powerful, as it allows your AI model to work alongside you, while being limited to this virtual desktop. Everything it does will be contained on this desktop and application. It has no access to your personal files or browser outside of it. You can ask it to read emails and send replies. It can run shell commands to edit, create, delete files, organize directories, inspect logs, and so on. It can browse the web, open sites, click around, fill forms, download files. It can also read and create local documents such as PDF, PowerPoint, or Excel files. It can also schedule background tasks to do periodic jobs, and so on. The link to BlueStacks AI will be in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.